What if the closer you come to truth, the more the world turns against you? This is the story of a wandering dervish whose words were powerful enough to shake scholars and awaken souls. They warned him, "If you speak this truth, you will not be forgiven." He replied calmly, "I did not have come to be forgiven by people." In 13th century Konya, a wandering dervish arrives. No position, no protection, only fire in his words. His name was Shams of Tabriz. Shams says to the scholars, "Do you fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? So you imagine him as anger." Then he pauses and said, "The heart you carry is the God you see." They recite the Quran beautifully. Shams listens and says, "Quran has layers. If it hasn't softened your character, you have only touched the surface. To understand Allah's words, you must purify your intentions. Otherwise, knowledge becomes arrogance." A man prays all night, but humiliates others by day. Shams turns away and says, "Prayer without mercy is a body without a soul." Shams is mocked, rejected, left alone, yet he smiles. Love for Allah is not a comfort. It is a fire that burns the ego first. They judge sinners. They judge seekers. Shams stops them. Do not question another soul's path. Guidance belongs to Allah, not to you. And remember this, these were only the first 5 rules of love taught by Shams of Tabriz. Rules that shake the ego, rules that test sincerity, rules that prepare the heart for what comes next. The journey of love is not finished. It has only begun. Stay with us. The remaining rules are yet to be revealed.